If 5 more than x is 7 less than 21, what is the value of x? The first thing we have to do is rewrite this problem as an equation. 5 more than x can be expressed as 5 plus x. Is, which means equal. 7 less than 21 can be written as 21 minus 7. Just copy 5 plus x and let's simplify 21 minus 7, which is 14. To get the value of x, just subtract both sides by 5. Cancel out 5. We now have x equals 14 minus 5, or x is equal to 9. Find the value of x in the given equation. A to the power of x to be multiplied by a to the power of 12 equals a to the power of 29. When multiplying numbers of the same base, we only need to add their exponents. This can be simplified as a to the power of x plus 12 equals a to the power of 29. Since these two numbers have the same base, we just have to work on their exponents to make them equal. That's x plus 12 equals 29. To get the value of x, subtract both sides by 12. X would be equal to 29 minus 12, which is 17. Therefore, x is equal to 17.